how the various commands gives us the outputs and what is the meaning of each command. Say for example the first one here, 3 plus 4, the output is 7. So this is basically just a simple addition. Okay, next 2 plus 4 star means into multiplication, 4 into 3, so 4 into 3 is 12, 12 plus 2 is 4, see 14, 12 plus 2 is 14, so output is 14. So this is basically a simple addition and multiplication using BODMAS rule. Sometimes we also use BEDMAS, which is bracket of exponentiation, right? E for exponentiation, then division, multiplication, addition followed by subtraction. Okay, next 7 by 2, see the answer is 3.5, which is just division using this forward slash operator. And the result is float values. Float values means, you see, these are real number values having decimal numbers. So decimal number. Next you see over there this line, the fourth row. So first you have to do the operation within brackets. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 into 5 is 35. See, this is the result. Again 7 divided by 2. Now this upon double forward slash, this will give you not the usual result of this one, but this will give you integer value. So 0.5 will not be there, only 3 will be here. Next 7, this simple interest sign over here. Here you see this percent sign basically means modulus operator, and the result is that when you divide 17 by 5, the result of this operation will be the remainder of this division, and here 17 upon divided by 5 gives you the remainder 2. So this means 17 percent sign 5 basically means you have to find the value of the remainder, which is 2 in this case. Now for 2 stars, 2 stars means exponent, important. So 4 to the power 2 is 4 into 4, which is 16. Next again 5 2 star 2, which is basically 5 to the power 2, which is 25. Next 2 to the power 8, you can easily calculate, the value is 256. Let me just show it to you over here. So 5 into 2, you don't have to write equal to or anything, just do enter, and the result is 5 into 2, 10. Next 5 and then to the power 2, just do the enter, you will get 25. Okay, but if you do a 3 star, then what do you think you will get? Error, because this has not been defined in the program. Okay students, keep this in mind. Okay, and as I was saying, 2 to the power 8, see, just doing enter gives you the result 256. Okay, so this is 256. Next, look into this, the third row, very important. A is equal to 5, B is equal to 2, and then third line is A into B. So let us try to understand what is happening. In the first line, basically we have created variable A. Second line we have created variable B. Next, we are assigning values using the assignment operator, which is equal to. Okay, so variable A has been assigned value 5 and variable B has been assigned value 2. Okay, and then in the third line we have performed multiplication of these two variables, A into B. See, and what's the result? 5 into 2, 10. Okay. Next, A is equal to A plus 5. This means just increase the value of A by 5. Now we have already defined A as 5. So the new value of A will be what? 10. See? So let me show it to you. First, let me write A is equal to 5. Okay. Next, let me write A equal to A plus 5, and then let me just write A. See, this is 10. Why? Because now A is equal to 5 plus 5, which is 10. Okay. Fine. Similarly, B, if I write B minus 1, and again I try to find the value of B, then previously B was 2. So the new B will be 2 minus 1, which is 1. Okay. That decrease the value of B by 1. Okay. Now see this question. This set of instructions. So discount is 12, price is 2599, and amount is price minus price into discount by 100. So when I write amount, I am trying to calculate the value, and you will see if you do this, first do this in your rough copy and then write it in the interactive mode, and you will see that the answer is 2287.12. So basically you are calculating the amount to be paid after 12% discount. Okay, let me now see a different type of example. First line, A is equal to 20, second B is equal to 10. Now I am defining, so see, storing 20 in memory where the memory location is labeled as variable A. Next, 10 is stored in memory labeled as variable B. Next, sum of A and B is stored in memory which is labeled as variable C. Previously there was no variable C in our last example. Okay, and then if you just write C, it will give out the value which is 20 plus 10, that is 30. So this means 30 is currently being stored in the memory which is variable C. Next, similarly to the previous case, if I write A plus 2, then the new value of A will be 20 plus 2, which is 22. Okay. Next, let me write in short, len equal to 5, BDTH, that is breadth, for breadth equal to 10, perimeter equal to 2 into len plus breadth. So this means basically this is the formula for the perimeter of a rectangle, right? And then I ask perimeter, so it will just give me, see the value, 5 plus 10 is 15, 15 into 2 is 30. So basically we are storing the length and breadth of a rectangle and then calculating the perimeter.